selective breeding of plants, splicing two plants together.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, when we graft plants together, I mean, that is like all of the vineyards in France, which are grafted onto American rootstocks because of the introduction of phylloxera, this aphid that came from North America that was going to completely devastate the wine industry. Now they're all spliced onto American rootstocks that can survive this aphid. And
Isn't that wild?
yeah.
I talked to a rancher in California, and they were telling me that I think it was either the avocado trees were spliced onto the pistachio trees or vice versa.
It's amazing that the plants can survive that they don't go like, yo, that's not me.